back with another vlog, and I'm about to take y'all along with me. I just got my hair suppressed. It's something in my eye. I'm on the way to get my eyebrows done, because honey, they have not been done since Jesus walked or something. The light is about to change. Anyways, I'm getting my eyebrows tinted for the first time, so this should be interesting. My best friend, she got it done, and they was cute on hers, so I was like, let me try it. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, so this morning I didn't really get to vlog like the beginning of everything, but I'm taking some digitals this week for modeling. I'll talk more about that like later. Anyways, I had to get my hair done, and then y'all, I got my eyebrows done. This is the first time I got them tinted, and I really like it. Like, the girl did a good job. Look at that. So, but yeah, they just like waxed them and then tinted them, and it's supposed to last like 2 weeks or so. Anyways, it's supposed to last a couple weeks. So what I'm gonna do is, oh, hold on, friend. What's up, y'all? Anyway, it's another day, and somebody just followed me on TikTok. It's a new day. I decided to wake up this morning. This sound is about to irritate me. My mama coming too. Anyway, I decided to get up this morning and go to the nail shop to get my feet done so they don't look crusty in these pictures for my digitals. And I can't get my hands done. Here come my mama. Okay. I can't get my hands done because I'm making a video. Because I can't have my acrylics done for these. Anyway, it's hot. It's hotter than
a monkey's jackass.
Bruh.
Come on, where's the air?
Okay, for real. It's hot. Anyways, I made me a smoothie. As you can see, it's gonna be hot already.
You gotta
wait. You gotta wait.
Okay, well, wait.
Anyways,
and roll
as
these
you
windows
can see-
down and come on. Why you
Oh
got
my
that
god. Oh my god, girl.
What
What
is
is that
it?
thing flying?
door? What thing? What thing?
Here go my mama
Are
saying,
you wait? Are
this
you
is
on
vlogging.
doing Facebook? No, I don't want to be on vlog today.
You look cute though.
I don't have nothing on my lips.
Girl, I ain't got nothing on either. It don't matter. Anyway, y'all. What was I saying?
Okay.
So-
let me see.
She is so extra. Anyways, like my
Never
mother
know who
said,
I
it is
might
hotter
see.
than a
You never know who I might see.
girl bye. Anyways, eyebrows are still intact. Cute, okay?
Girl bye. Let's go.
I think I'm gonna start doing more of these little
Bye, y'all.
get ready with me type of
Get
videos.
ready. Get ready and close
All right,
the
bye,
door.
y'all.
Get ready and close the door.
I,
How about
and I'm
that?
about to. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. All right, y'all. So I'm back. Today is the day of the shoot, and I'm going to be doing a really natural look. So my eyebrows already done, so that kind of take off some time. This is a super easy look. If you don't know how to do makeup, this one might just be for you, babe. I'm not no makeup artist, but I do dabble in a little something if I have to. So I'm gonna just do oh my goodness, I'm going everything's falling. This is about to be real quick. I could probably, if I was timing this, it's probably a 10-minute makeup look. I'm just going with the concealer, conceal here, there, whatever, boom, boom. Put on some foundation, and yeah, so I'll speed this up so that y'all can see it. Okay. Okay, I blended out all of the concealer. Now I'm just gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty. This is the only foundation I use now. I really like the way it works for me. Everybody don't like it, that's you. This is what I like. Anyway, it's, I don't know, like some people just don't like the way Fenty, it does it for me because my skin is oily. So like, I don't know, I have a combination skin, like it's oily and dry at the same time. So like, what do you do with that? Anyway, y'all, when I said that this was a natural look, I really was not kidding. Like, I'm done, basically. Just gonna add some foundation to my big ass forehead. You know what? Shout out to everybody who got a 5 head like me. Okay, if you got a big old forehead, comment below. I know I am not alone, okay? No, I'm not. I'm going in with this powder. This is my Sasha Borka. Don't spill this nowhere, y'all. And I'm telling y'all this like I'm not the one that's gonna spill it. Like, I'm clumsy, okay? Just gonna bake a little bit. Put it in the oven. Put it in the put it in the oven for 360, 355, 370, 380, 390. Okay, shut up, Tyra. Okay. This, I was gonna say this dust. That's what it feels like, dust. This powder, it's getting everywhere. God. Okay, that's enough. You don't need any more. Girl, it's all good. Okay, so I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna put this on my forehead, actually, because my forehead, it gets greasy, so I'm not gonna put it on my forehead, too. I'm not gonna let this sit on my forehead because I don't want to look like Casper the Friendly Ghost. But I'm just gonna dust it off because I just don't want my forehead to be greasy and it be getting like greasy. So, boom, baby. Anyway, I'm about to go on with this crusty bottle of Urban Decay all night. We be all night. Urban Decay, boom, boom, Urban Decay. Okay, there's nothing left to hate. That is it. Now I'm about to I ain't even gonna take this off on camera because something tells me that I slept the wrong way last night, and when I take this off my head, it's gonna look like, and so I'm gonna save y'all from seeing that. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so like I've been telling y'all before, now I'm going to go take some digitals with Bree. Digitals, in case you guys don't know, if you want to start modeling, whatever, they're like really simple, basic pictures that you need. Basically, no posing, no nothing, just completely all black. Just, you know, you'll see because I'll show you, but like it's just really simple pictures so that they can see what you look like with no makeup or little to no makeup, natural hair, everything just, you know, natural. So it'll literally be like a full body of me, like turning to the side, like profile pictures, like profile, waist up. I'll talk more about it later, but yeah, so it's just really basic pictures. And I'm also going to go take some, since I have my natural hair out, I'm gonna take some athletic wear type pictures, like pictures that you can use for Nike, Adidas, stuff like that. But what you want to always remember is don't wear logos or brands. Like, that's for acting and modeling, and that's one thing that like some people might not know, but like it's so important to know, do not wear brands because it's a conflict. Like, it's a difference if you like have pictures in Nike but you model for Nike. But if your agent submits you for something and you already have one Nike but they're submitting you for a print ad for Adidas, they're gonna be like, no meow. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later though. The first one I did my digitals, had the old black or whatever. Now I'm doing like a little athletic wear type of thing, like, you know, little something. So basically what I'm going for this one is like, you know, book me for Nike, book me for Adidas, book me for athletic wear type thing. So I'm gonna show you.
101K.
Okay guys, I'm back and I'm done with the photo shoot now. It's a car right here. Oh my god. They're really close and I'm just sitting here minding my business. Anyway, I'm done with the photo shoot. Like I said, you guys don't forget to go support my best friend, her line. First of all, honey, listen, like I said, she has sunglasses, lipstick, lip gloss, eyelashes, all type of everything. So I'm gonna drop the name. You guys head over to the Instagram and show my best friend some love, period. All right, you guys, I'm gonna be ending this vlog here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. If you guys have any questions or whatever about anything modeling related or whatever, anything else, leave a comment below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.